Hello guys, Scoutlite has sent me this very nice flashlight, and this is a very special one. It's called a SparcO. No, not this. It's called a SparcO. You can see it down here, SparcO. And it came with this MagSafe magnet holder. I will show you why. This one has a MagSafe, not charging, but MagSafe holding magnet on the back of it. So, without further ado, let's open it. Very nice box with a magnet clip-on. Nice. If you wanted to give it as a gift, the box itself is almost a gift. All right, let's see. How do we get it out of the box? You don't need to open the box. You just take it out from the front here. Because there's a foam inside, and this one is glued. Okay, anyway. God, strong magnet. This is how it looks. Magnet base. Let's see if it sticks. Yes, it sticks to the metal. I will show you that a little later. Let's open this holder as well. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Plastic bag. Okay, there are 2 rings inside the kit with tape on the backside, which you can glue to something, I guess. And then, okay. Looks nice. You can pack it flat. And you can do this, and then let's see how this is working. Oh! Look at that. That is nice. This clip system on the torch is also nice, because you can stick it to your clothes. And the magnet is very strong, so you can clip it to the bottom of your short, and you will not be able to lose it. Sticks very good. But to the main thing, how does it work? This is a little special design because you have the switch inside the ring, and when it's locked, you can access this to the hole, of course. This is, how can I tell you? You just press it once and you'll show the battery level. It is 4 segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is now showing 3 segments that is lighting up. The last one is missing, which means it is not fully charged. It was in the manual. So you have 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And now you can see it was 75%. But press and hold it for a second. Sorry, for a second. There you go. This one has a last memory. So last time I used it on, let's put this on low, on the warm light, and it was set to medium. So every time you click one time, you will change to the brightness. All of them has, I think it's 4 levels. If you double tap it, it will go to, this is the, let's start with the start. It will always start with, it will not always. When this came from right out of the, when this one came straight out of the box, it started with this cold. It came with this cold light. And every time you press once, you can cycle through 4 different ones. You have ultra low, low, medium, high, or turbo. Yeah, 4 steps. Every one has this kind of step. So if you double tap it again, you will get both LEDs. You have a warm and a cold LED, which I don't know if it's possible to see here. But anyway, now they are both lit. So now you have a warmer temperature, color temperature, and the same thing with just 4 steps. Click it again, and only the warm LED is lighting up. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to it. Double tap. You get this one, the red one, and if you press and hold, get this one, press and hold, this one. Yeah. Circle, low, medium, high. Circle again. Double tap, back on this one. There is one, let's call it hidden mode. You have to press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you get this flashing. And this has only 1 intensity. You can't change anything. To make it stop, 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. And it goes back to the light. The latest setting. Let's see if this is working on its off. 1, 2, 3. No, it did not. It only shows the battery indicator again. Hold it for 1 second, and you can do this 1, 2, 3 from any mode when it's on. 1, 2, 3, off again. Hold it for a second. Sorry, a little too quick. There you go, and everything is off. Very nice indeed. Let me see if I put on some light here, that maybe you can see the back side of this. There are some interesting writing here. This magnet is extremely strong. This is the rubber switch, which has a very nice feeling to it. Very nice indeed. You can hear a click. The magnet snaps in place. Let's test it in the dark room, shall we? Okay, pitch black, touching the ring. This is the charging indicator. If you hold it the right way around, then you can see this one is, maybe not you can see it, but this one is dark, and the other 3 is lit up. Hold it for a second, and you get this light. And we can press it once. Get this, you can see it's a kind of bluish, cold light, turbo. And back to off, lowest setting. And if you double tap, you will get a different color, of course. And double tap, and it will be the very, very warm color. You have the red one, which then you can change from this. Yeah. Every time you tap, single tap, it will go to different intensities. Very strong, very good. Lighting up the whole room. And then back to this one. Double tap again. You get the cold one. Just put this on high, like this. Double tap, medium warm color. Double tap, very warm. Double tap, red. Double tap, cold again. Medium and warm. It also has a last memory, so if you turn it off now and turn it back on, it will come on with the warm color and high. Yeah. Triple tap. 1, 2, 3. No, not good enough. One more time. There we have this strobe. 1, 2, 3. No, it's very 1, 2, 3. A little hard to do it, but it's working. Here we can see how it's working, the charging. It is flashing here on the what they call LED number 3. Hope you can see this, because let's see, focus cancel, it was wrong. And its charging speed is what I can see. Let's see if we can show you that as well. And maybe we should focus. Yeah. Looks to be a healthy 450 milliamps. It's very clear to see how it's working. Nice, like it's kind of breathing. Can you use it while you are charging? Yes, you can. How amazing is that? Oh. Fantastic. The charging port is hidden under this rubber lid. which make it IPX5, which again means you can hose it down by a small garden hose and it will be waterproof. It's not advisable to put it into water and sink it because then maybe it's not good. But like a small hose, it will work excellent. Yeah, what more is it to tell about this one? Yes, let me show you. Almost forgot. The magnetic holder. There was 2 metal rings included with the holder. And these rings are made for, you can stick it to the table or something, or the dashboard or something, cabinet. And then you suddenly get a magnetic sticking mount for your flashlight. And it's quite strong. Yeah, very strong magnet, very good. And you have a 3M tape on backside or something. Let's see if I can get it off again. That's not easy because this is strong. There we go. So 2 of those. And when you are done with it, you just flip it around and put it down, and it is very easy to carry with you. There is one side with a magnet, and there's one side without the magnet. So if you like this, it will not stick at all, but if you do it like this, it sticks. This, nothing. But you can clearly see that on the back side. Let me put on some light. There we go. You can see there is an edge or something here, and here is this one is flat. This one you can also use on the MagSafe of your car if you have a MagSafe charger. You can't charge the light, but you can stick it to the MagSafe charger if you should like that. It has a groove down here, which then fits perfectly onto this one, of course, and then you can put it down very flat. Very nice. Should we test that on my cabinet? Yes, sticks very well. And then this, of course. And then you just double tap it. Sorry. Hold it for a second. And we're back on. Let's see. It feels very strong. And it is very strong. You don't like to look into it. Yeah. Low. And strong. And of course, you can still use this one if you like to. Yeah. The magnet is on some kind of, it's not magnetic under here. You can feel it, there is no magnet, but the magnet seems to be on the side. But it sticks very well to the cabinet. This is hard. This is hard. You can't push this with normal power. You have to really do some effort. This one as well. Very good magnet. This is definitely something I can recommend. High quality in everything you use here. You use everything they produce. It's rubberized, very soft, very nice. Yeah. Okay guys, there you have it. The amazing Scoutlite SparcO. I really like this one, so I can really recommend this one. It is very nice build quality and everything. So yeah, links up in the corner and down below as usual if you want to check it out. So I just want to say that's all from me guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in the next one.